Are you a leader who have employees complaining about how awful it is to work with you? You don't just have to settle for this. This is not your legacy. Nobody wakes up in the morning and say, I'm going to work to let my employees have something to complain about. I'm going to torture them. I know there was a leader who referred to his employees once as cows. But those are very rare, and I know it's not you. You want to have good relationship with your employees. And I want to give you an opportunity to be able to create good relationship with your employees. Let's face it, leadership is completely different since COVID-19. The realities of the workplace have changed. And you as a leader need to get on board and change the way you relate to your employees. Otherwise, it's going to affect your leadership legacy, and that is something I know you want to change. So join me at my upcoming webinar. Let us create the legacy that you want. And yes, let us have the impact beyond the legacy. Let's have a team that's resilient. Let's have a team that's working hard. Let's have a team that's focused. Let's get you that team that's performing at a high level. My name is Joyce Edison, and I want to invite you to my upcoming webinar. Let's get started.